cement mixer or board, spade, trowel, float, spirit level, rubber mallet, soft brush, pointing iron, string and pegs, personal protective equipment, paving flags, sharp sand, cement, hardcore. Before you start, measure up your area and establish the laying pattern you wish to use to ensure you have adequate materials for the task in hand. To make life easier, try out our paving planner. You'll be able to create a plan of the area, select a laying pattern and produce a project list with quantities. Dig out the entire area to a minimum of 150 mm below the final required surface level. Spread hardcore evenly across the area to a minimum depth of 75 to 100 mm. Mix your mortar in a cement mixer or on a plywood board, using 4 parts of sharp sand to 1 part of cement. Add water to create a semi-dry mix. For maximum support and stability, paving flags should be installed on a full bed of mortar laid at a recommended depth of 30 mm. Spread the mortar evenly across the hardcore, covering an area large enough to accommodate your first flag. Ensure there are no voids or spaces in this mortar bed. Lay the first flag in place, level and tap down gently using a rubber mallet to avoid damaging the surface of the flag. Remember that when laying flags, it is important to create falls or very slight slopes to drain away surface water and prevent ponding. A crossfall from side to side on the flag of 1 in 40 is recommended, with a longitudinal fall of 1 in 80. Continue to lay your flags one by one to the preferred pattern on the freshly laid mortar. Do not lay the flags with their edges touching. Allow space between for a pointing joint. Check your levels and falls continuously, using a string line if preferred. Once your flags are laid, they should be left overnight to allow the mortar base to set fully before pointing up. Only point when no rain is anticipated to ensure you achieve an optimum finish. Alternatively, you can use Marshall's Weatherpoint 365, which is suitable for use in all weather conditions. When the area is ready to point, mix your mortar using 4 parts of building sand to 1 part of cement. When pointing, there are many different techniques and finishes to choose from. Here we are demonstrating recessed pointing, showing the pointing being struck off with a pointing iron. When pointing is complete, leave the area for an hour or so until the mortar is firm to the touch before removing the excess using a soft brush. This will enable the spoil to harden slightly, ensuring it brushes away cleanly and does not stain the flags. Careful planning, measurement and constant checking of levels will ensure your paved area is safe, fit for purpose and provides a valuable addition to your outdoor space for years to come.